And we are back. What's good, YouTube? Finally got all the cars here. As you can see, I just cut my grass. Fuckers. What is good, YouTube? We are back with another video on the OEM&x YouTube channel. I'm in the garage. I got a new camera, by the way. This thing is awesome, so you're gonna get a lot more content coming out of this. But yeah, I'm in the garage. Gonna be going over some things that I plan on doing for the new year. New Year's coming up. We just had Christmas. And we got a lot planned, so I wanted to bring you guys along, let you guys know what to expect on the channel, and hopefully ignite some inspiration for you guys as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. So first things first, big shout out to the guys over at AST. They sent me I wanted to upgrade my coilovers up front, make the ride a little bit more compliant. What they did, they actually sent me some new helper springs that I'll be putting on. So these are stiffer helper springs, so it should help with any type of noise that comes from those standard ones that come with the car, being that this car can actually go pretty low up front, especially within the weight of the engine. You know, it's just causing a lot more play on the rebound that it needs to, even when I have it to the most stiffer setting. So I reached out to those guys, told them what was going on. They got right on it. Boom, sent me some new helper springs, so I'll be putting those on sometime in the next week or so. And then, let's see, so I got the downpipes on, so that's cool. But I think the main thing, honestly, what I plan on doing is I'm gonna be doing a challenge. And I'm gonna sit in the car for this. Ugh. All right, here we are. Now we in the M3. So, I want to bring you guys in. So pretty much what I'm going to be doing is a 30-day challenge for my channel and just in life. So 30 days starting January 1st. Going to be one of those new year, new me type things. Not really. So my goals and what I plan on doing for this 30 days is working out twice a day. Once in the morning, you know, I'll get up at 0, dark 30, get to the gym, do my lifting. Then my second workout will be a walk or a ruck, whichever one, like with my weighted vest. No drinking, no alcohol, drinking a lot of water. And then also what I wanted to add is pretty much a vlog. I want to vlog 30 days straight, every single day. So I'll make sure to bring you guys along so you guys can see the things that I do on a day-to-day basis. How, you know, I still will do like my normal car things as they come up. I do have some maintenance things I need to take care of, probably do some washes, because all the cars are filthy right now. The weather has been shit here in Florida, so be doing that. Yeah, I don't think I have any other parts coming in. I say that now, but subject to change. So yeah, 30 days, bring you guys along, and should be fun. And hopefully you guys can, if you guys want to follow along, I challenge you to get your shit together for the next few days, so then that would come Monday, January 1st, we get after it. You know what I'm saying? Because I just, you know, sometimes I do these type of challenges, I do these type of things because I feel like through adversity, you know, opportunity arises. When things get too easy, you know, and too, you know, complacent and lax, you know, you kind of settle in like to bad habits and just, you know, to stuff like that. You kind of don't really leave any space for you to receive anything new. And I have a lot of goals this year. I wrote them all out, and I have a lot of goals with this channel, with my cars, other type of cars that I do want to try to obtain at some point. I don't know how, but I'll figure it out. But I figured this would be a good start to really get back into gear, you know, get my body straight, right, you know, how I want to look, how I want to feel. And then that way, when these type of things come about, I can hop on them, you know, I can get to you know, the blessings, if you will. So that's the purpose of this challenge. I'm excited. I think it's going to be fun. I think it's going to be difficult, of course, but it should be good. So hopefully you guys want to follow along with me. Please do. Make your own rules. If you want to work out twice a day, by all means. If you just want to work out once a day, no days off, no breaks, no rest days. It's all straight through 30 days. We don't stop. That's what we do. Your body can handle it, trust me. Yeah, no alcohol. And yeah, if you have a YouTube channel and you want to start, you know, vlogging every day as well, let's do that as well. And so it should be fun. You guys are gonna see so much of me. Shit. I'll be ready for that. I'll probably have like 4 more hairdos by then, but that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to bring you guys in on that. Again, be doing helper spring install soon, and probably do some driving impressions, especially with the downpipes. I want to get you guys some in-cabin sounds and see how you guys like how that sounds. But take the other cars out as well. You know, driving a Porsche, and so you guys can see how, you know, how that is, and even the E39 and all that stuff. The E24 subject, suspect, I don't know. I gotta make sure that thing is on the up and up. Got the Atlas, but that's my utility car. It's dirty. And yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Quick video. Just want to give you guys an update, let you guys know what to expect in 2024. It's going to be a good year. I hope you guys had a great Christmas, holiday, all that stuff, and I hope you guys are planning to do some amazing stuff in 2024. Regardless of the fact, OEM+ channel is going to be on and popping. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Again, this is your favorite unenthusiastic car enthusiast here with another video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. We are out.